So welcome back. Let's apply this to a question that is a rhetorical synthesis question. Let's apply a plan. So the question one is solar panel efficiency studies. So the mini lecture notes that are given are saying student A measured solar panel efficiency in a coastal climate, finding an average efficiency of 18%. Student B measures solar panel efficiency in desert climates, finding an average efficiency of 18%. Both studies use monocrystalline silicon cells manufactured by Soltech Industries. Each study ran for 12 months, collecting monthly performance data. Now the student wants to emphasize the similarity between the two studies. Which choice most effectively accomplishes this rule? I want you to pause this video and solve the question yourself before looking at the solution. I hope you have solved it. Let's apply our 4-step framework. So first was defining our mission. Here the defining our mission was that we had to emphasize a similarity. So our mission is to emphasize a similarity. That is what the prompt is saying. So what we have to look for? We have to look for a sentence showing what's same across A and B. Then we have to harvest our evidence, which is highlight the nodes that showed sameness. So the note about 18% efficiency and both using monocrystalline silicon cells that are the similarities. Then we have to make our answer. Eliminate any choices not stating a similarity. If we scan through the answer choices, A जो है वो क्या कह रहा है? Both study A and B ran for 12 months, but only study A used data collected monthly. So this is only referring to mix-up data collection, so it's also referring to study A. But we want similarities only. C, it focuses on difference. Study A focused on coastal climates while study B focused on deserts, indicating different environmental impacts. This is not what our mission word was. D is too wordy, and this mentions locations rather than underlying facts, shared facts. Study A found 18% efficiency in coastal climate. Study B found 18% efficiency in desert climates, demonstrating identical efficiency numbers. But it's too early. It is mentioning locations, but it is not mentioning the other similarity, which was monocrystalline silicon cells. So we are only left with on choice B. B correctly mentions two highlighted nodes, same cell type, same average efficiency. There's no added or omitted details in the answer, so B is the correct answer. Let's move forward. In our next video, we're going to apply this to another example. Welcome back.